Hi, I wanted to share with you this moment that I'm having. I love reset buttons, and I know that they come in all shapes and sizes, and I think it's important to know our reset buttons and reach for the right one of the right size that's needed for this specific moment. And if you're working and you're looking at a screen too much, or you're tensing, or you're tired, it's so amazing to just pause and step outside and look up. There are trees to look up into, and there's a sky, and the eyes can stretch, and the nervous system can drop down, and you can tell yourself, I'm here, and I'm willing to be here, and I'm here in this moment, this one reality of this one now, and I'm not missing it. And I have felt sensory experiences of this now moment, and it's beautiful, and I feel something, and I'm not missing it. And as I do that, breath comes in, and I feel it, and I find my footing, I find my grounding, and I drop in a little more. And I see myself in time. I'm nearing the solstice. A car is going by. The days are lengthening. The traffic is apparently thickening. The light is longer, and I'm not missing it. Right now, the green of summer, that richer, deeper green coming in after the fresh, amazing, tender green of spring is what's here right now. And it's here for me. And I'm here taking it in. And I'm here giving it my love and appreciation. And I'm letting it nourish me. And I'm letting myself meet this moment. And I am reset. And I'm going to go back to work now because I'm equipped for my work and I love my life. And reset buttons are amazing.